Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about the crock pot and it's for a side dish. We can make it a side dish or a full meal, and this episode starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back. Before I show you the ingredients and before we get into this, don't forget, if you haven't, to subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes, and the like button. Alright, so today we're using the crock pot and I'm going to show you how to make some easy macaroni and cheese. Cheesy, cheesy, creamy, creamy. Yum, yum. Let's get to it, guys. I'm going to show you the ingredients. Here they are. Guys, here are the easy ingredients for our crock pot mac and cheese. We have a pound of elbow macaroni. You can either buy a small Velveeta of the creamy cheddar cheese. I'm using half of a big one. We have an 8-ounce container, an 8-ounce, bar of Philly cream cheese. I have mozzarella, a pound of mozzarella, and a pound of cheddar jack, and our slow cooker. So I will meet you guys at the stove and let's get cooking. Hey guys, I'm back and we are at the stove. So I have my water in my pot with a teaspoon of salt. We are bringing our water. Always remember to salt your pasta. We have a pound of elbow macaroni I'm going to use in there. So normally I would cook my pasta, always for 9 minutes. No more than 9 minutes because we always want that small bite to our pasta, which they call al dente. Today I'm going to cook it for 6 minutes, and then I'm going to strain it and put it in my crock pot. And then we are going to add our ingredients. We're going to leave it alone now. You can use it for on high in your crock pot for 3 hours, as I posted right here. 3 hours on high or 6 hours on low, depending on when you'll be back. Okay, you guys? So stay with me, you guys. This is a delicious crock pot meal. You don't want to miss this. Great side dish or meal. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Our macaroni, our elbow macaroni is done. Make sure when you strain it that you run it under cold water, because crock pots, for those of you that use them, crock pots are very easy and very convenient, but they're very tricky. You cannot put hot elbow macaroni into a cold crock pot because your pot will crack. So you don't want that. So now we have that. Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I have the half of the Velveeta cubed up. Yum. Alright, so we've got our cheese. Add your cheese. I have an 8-ounce bar of Philly cream cheese. Put that in there. I have a pound of mozzarella cheese. Put that in there. And I have cheddar jack. So I've got cheddar and Monterey Jack. All that. This is so delicious, you guys. Oh my God. You're not going to believe this when it's done. You know what I was thinking was, maybe when it's done, but I think I'll do it right now. I think I'm going to also put a little bit of paprika. I don't know. Something just tells me to. I like it with paprika. I've done it without it, but I like it with it too. A little bit of paprika, and why don't we just add a little bit of onion powder. So a little bit, a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of onion powder. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to mix it. Mix it with our mac and cheese. I'm going to put this in my crock pot for 3 hours on high. Nice. I'm back, and our mac and cheese is ready in the crock pot. I'm going to stir it. Serve myself a little bit. Oh my God. To think imagine we leave home in the morning before we go to work and our side dish is done. Whether it's dinner or our side dish. Look at that. Look at that delicious mac and cheese. I served myself a little bit. Look at that. And now, guys, it's time to taste. Yum, yum. Alright, here it goes, guys. It's hot. Oh my God. That creamy Velveeta cheese. Oh my God, and that sour note of the cream cheese. I tried again just to make sure. You never know. God, this is good. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. So good. Mmm. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that, smash that subscribe button, excuse me, and don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And as always, you guys, this will never change in my videos. Au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, this little devil will be back, and I will see you then. Take good care, you guys. Bye.